Let's harvest some tomatoes. This is officially my last Black Beauty tomato. The plant gave me about 6, and I'm pretty satisfied with that. And we finally have a Bella Rosa. This is the one tomato of mine that I still have yet to try. I feel like this is a big tomato. Like, that's a good sized tomato. I'm really pleased with it. I can't wait to open it, see what it looks like, see what it tastes like, see what it cooks like. Now we're just getting some aromas. I really have to harvest these at a certain stage because once the plant decides that they're done, it'll just drop them. I've kept trying to keep them on the vine for a little bit longer to get that deep red, but the longer I leave it on, the calyx above the tomato just starts to die back, and that's when the plant just drops it. Other tomato plants will let their tomatoes rot on the vine if you leave them for too long, but these are like mama birds pushing out the babies out of the nest. They're like, you're done, go. Now we're just getting some marglobes. You can clearly see the condition that this plant is in, and I'm really shocked and in awe at how many marglobes I have gotten despite the plant being that sick. So I definitely want to try to grow this plant again and see if I can keep it healthy. I can't imagine what it'll look like when I keep it healthy because this has been such a prolific plant. My favorite part is putting them into the basket because look at the abundance. Now I'm just picking some sweet millions. Cherry tomatoes really are so fun to harvest because there are just always so many of them. There really is nothing like harvesting all of these beautiful homegrown tomatoes. This is like tenfold the amount of tomatoes that I grew last year, and I'm just so in awe at how many tomatoes my little garden is bringing in. Now for one of my favorite tomatoes, the indigo blue chocolate. I really love this tomato, not only because of the beautiful color, but because of the salty taste too. It's just so good. Now that is a harvest basket. Would you look at all of those beautiful homegrown tomatoes? I'm so happy.